It's open house day. Today we are over here at 28076 Foxrock Court in Bonita National. This is a wonderful Maria floor plan with lots of upgrades. As you come in through the foyer area. Some built-ins with lights, beautiful chandelier here. As you come in through the right side, you've got guest bedroom number 1, bathroom. They did upgrade and added in the glass enclosure. The wonderful thing about this is that you can close this up and it acts as an ensuite for any of your guests. Now the Maria floor plan is deemed as a 4-bedroom with three full baths. Now this is considered the 4th bedroom, which is also considered a flex room. You can obviously add in doors if you wanted to. I've seen lots of different designs on this. The owner for this one went ahead and did tile floors throughout on a diagonal. No carpet in here, no laminate flooring in here. There's fans in every bedroom. Got a laundry room with a sink. They've added cabinetry. This door goes to the garage. In the garage, you've got epoxy flooring, insulated garage door. There's 4 overhead storages. They've got a mini split in here. You've got connection. That is a portable generator, so they went ahead and added the electrical for that. This here would be your 3rd guest bedroom. Now this one is an ensuite. And they also added in the glass enclosure here. As we come into the entertainment space, they've done some built-ins, wood beams. Beautiful tray ceilings in here. You have crown molding. And if you look around at the baseboard here, you've got upgraded baseboard. Custom cabinets here. These are the upgraded cabinets. Stainless steel appliances. This is an electric community. It is not gas. You've got impact windows. They also have added in a hurricane screen. You can leave all of your lanai furniture here, close it up whenever you guys go to leave. You don't need to worry about pulling furniture inside. Added in some privacy screen here. Pool and spa. Yes, it is heated. Wonderful water view. There's a summer kitchen. It is an upgraded summer kitchen. Many have started adding some wood trim on the ceiling, so you can totally add in that once you guys take occupancy. And then you've got your master suite here in the back. Wood. You've got your tray ceilings here. Again, your tile floors, no carpet. You can add a nice accent rug. Now you do have 2 closets in here. You've got the his and her style. Obviously hers is nice and large. And that would be his. You have double sinks, and this is the 2nd generation of the Maria floor plan, so there is no tub. You have a large shower in here. The seller has went ahead and added in some grab handles as well as some soap niche there. And then you've got some extra storage space. Nice that you've got the double sinks. All right, so if you are interested in Bonita National, this is a wonderful property that is available for sale. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them and gather any details needed. Thanks so much, guys. Hope you have a wonderful day.